Computer science and the progress that has happened in the last century has given us this huge computational surplus and a great set of protocols and capabilities for creating this security in a new and more comprehensive way in cyberspace.
Truth, on the other hand, is sort of taking matters into your own hand. Like with truth, it's all about interacting with the world directly.
Markets are about story. Great bubbles happen around stories that are really appealing, but also around stories that really do change the world. Right? The internet bubble in the 1990s got way, way ahead of itself, but the internet really changed about everything we did in the world. And so we had the same thing with crypto.